The welcome screen issue on your Xfinity DVR usually indicates a problem with activation or the coax cable connection. It means your DVR is struggling to verify its connection to your Xfinity account or receive a proper signal. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve this. First, power cycle your DVR. Unplug it from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. While it's unplugged, check all coax cable connections, both at the DVR and the wall. Ensure they are finger-tight but not overly tightened. Loose or damaged cables are a common cause. Download and open the Xfinity My Account app on your smartphone. Log in, select your DVR, and run a system refresh. The app can also diagnose signal issues and remotely reboot your device. This often resolves activation problems or software glitches. When troubleshooting your Xfinity DVR, pay close attention to any error messages that appear on the screen. These messages often include specific error codes that can help you identify the root cause of the problem. Common error codes include XC100, which indicates a problem with your coaxial cable connection. This could mean loose cables or weak signal strength. Another common code is XC101, which points to activation or account verification issues, such as billing problems or device not properly linked to your account. Error messages might appear as screens similar to these, showing specific codes and restart options. The RDK03003 code you see here often relates to cable connection issues, similar to the XC100 mentioned earlier. Knowing the specific error code helps you pinpoint the problem quickly. Once you have the code, visit Xfinity's support website and search for that exact code to access targeted troubleshooting guides and solutions tailored to your issue. Always note the error code displayed on your screen. It provides the key to resolving the issue efficiently. Weak coax signals often cause the welcome screen to get stuck. Start by checking for signal splitters between the wall outlet and your DVR. To understand signal loss, look at this cable loss table. Different cable types lose signal over distance, and splitters add to this loss. Examine the coax cable structure. Proper layers ensure signal integrity, but damage or poor connections can cause issues. If possible, connect the DVR directly to the wall outlet to bypass any splitters and test the signal. If problems persist even with direct connection, the wall outlet itself may be faulty. This is common after storms or construction work. If you encounter an XC101 error, this indicates an activation problem with your Xfinity DVR. The XC101 error means the DVR cannot verify your account activation. Ensure your Xfinity account is active and in good standing. To resolve this, log in to the Xfinity website or app to check your account status. Verify your billing information and service status to ensure there are no outstanding issues. If you suspect an account issue, contact Xfinity support for assistance. If you've tried all the basic steps like power cycling, checking cables, using the app, decoding errors, troubleshooting coax signals, and verifying activation, and your DVR is still stuck on the welcome screen, it's time to contact Xfinity support. They can perform advanced diagnostics to identify deeper issues, push firmware updates over the air, or schedule a technician visit to inspect your hardware connections and measure signal strength in person.